Why you should stop using the Google keyboard and use the Grammarly keyboard instead. This is what I will show you in this video. First step for this is to download this Grammarly keyboard from the link which I have given in the description. It is totally free. As you might know that Grammarly is an online AI powered writing assistant tool. It has the Google Chrome extension and it also has a keyboard for the Android and iOS. So I'm doing it on the Android, but if you're using the iPhone, doesn't matter, it is available on the iPhone or iPad also. So first of all, you have to go to your App Store or the Google Play Store and download this Grammarly keyboard app. So once the Grammarly app is downloaded, you need to select the Grammarly as your default keyboard. So you need to switch on the Grammarly app and it will give you the question that switch input method. You need to select, and from the pop-up menu you need to go to the Grammarly. You can adjust the keyboard look. You can select the light or dark theme, and then you can also select the keyboard borders, but I'll just not select that because this simple is better, and I'll keep the number row on and I'll click continue with dark theme, and your Grammarly keyboard is ready to go. So you just need to press the done, and from here you can customize the Grammarly by clicking the Grammarly settings. So the Grammarly not only detects your spelling mistakes, but also it gives you the tone detection feature also. If you switch that on, you can press the G icon which will be there on the top left of the keyboard, and it will give you the tone detection, but it requires 90+ characters to work. And then also the auto correction feature is also there. So if you'll press the space bar or the punctuation mark, it will automatically correct the mistyped word. You can capitalize the first word of each sentence. You can select that on. The swipe to type feature is also available. Predictive text is also available. Emoji suggestions are there. The synonym feature is also there, but this, if you want that the synonym should be shown after some delay, you can select this on. And if you select this option, double space period, which means that when you will double tap the space bar, it will automatically insert the period and would also insert a space after the period. You can select the languages, and right now you can see that the American, Australian, British and Canadian English is there. So let's check the performance of this keyboard. I have opened up the note, and once I'll click to type, the keyboard is visible. As you can see that the row is also available, and the additional feature are the shift features are also shown here. So let me type a sentence. So intentionally I typed this was a busy days. So now you see that it is giving me the option that there are 3 issues. Change the noun from day. So it has changed it. So I'll just press this. So let me demonstrate that how you can double tap the space bar, which will automatically add a period and then a space bar. Once I'll double tap the space bar, it will automatically insert the period, and then it will also give a space before the next sentence. So now you can see that I have intentionally written incorrect spelling of dogs. While I'm here to give an authentic review, and there is one mistake which it did not pick up, and that is that after the fox I did not write jumps. I intentionally did not write the S word, but it did not correct this. So I'm not a native English speaker, but I think that the correct sentence is a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So it did not add this jump. Anyways, it is giving the synonyms also. As you can see that here for the dog, it is giving me the puppy and then the other names which I'm not familiar with. So let me put it after the fox, quick. As you can see that for the quick, the synonyms are shown: sharp, timely, short, abrupt, sudden, fast and brisk, smart, hasty, emotional. So this was a quick review of the Grammarly keyboard. If you want to check out this keyboard, I have given the link in the description. Download it from my link. It will help the channel and you will not lose anything. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.